Hey y'all, about that chicken, I think there was a misunderstanding there. I want people to know for sure it was not the skunk. I really don't believe it was the skunk at all. I've never had a problem with a skunk here attacking the chickens. I've never known anybody personally that has had a skunk attack their chickens. They always go after the eggs. I'm not going to say that in your area it can't happen. I mean, I don't know. I don't know the scoopy and different stuff, but here, skunks want the eggs. They leave the chickens alone. I'm kind of baffled as to what took it, but a friend of mine came on up today, and he kind of looked around, and his thought was it's an owl that took it during the night. And this is his night. He didn't see no tracks, nothing. There's nothing of any evidence for sure. But first of all, look at the fact that he pointed on out. The bones that were left behind were picked clean. If it had been a mammal with teeth, such as a raccoon or a fox, it would have left teeth marks, picking that meat clean off the bone. No teeth marks. That tells me it was an owl that went in the coop during the night or early this morning. But an owl doesn't eat gut piles. They don't eat the guts. There was no guts here. There was a skunk in the chicken coop. A skunk will eat the guts left behind. So I believe what happened is, just like my buddy told me, Dave, he says that he believes an owl come on down there, took snapped its head off, brought it on out here. It was too big for the owl to fly off with, so he picked a bunch of the meat off. The rib cage, part of it was missing. The big chunk of it was missing. It was flat out gone, and yes, the critter could have carried it off. But we believe that, the owl, after it ate its fill, was able still to pack off the remainder to fly off with a bunch of it to take it back to its nest and its young. But there was no teeth mark and no gut pile. I do believe that what happened with the gut pile there, just like Dave pointed on out, was that the skunk was on in there when the owl came on in there, and he followed up and he finished up eating the gut pile. So that's our theory, whether it's right, wrong, or otherwise. I will say this: I really don't believe it was a skunk at all. I blame myself that I didn't, that I didn't lock it, I didn't stay up late enough. And now with hindsight, if a skunk's in my chicken coop, I'm locking the skunk in there for the night. I'll release it in the morning. But I ain't going to lose another chicken just because I'm too lazy to wait up an extra 3 hours for that skunk. I'll lock the skunk on in there. It ain't going to spray nothing. And if it eats some of the eggs, what's an egg or two? No big loss. But losing a chicken, to me that's a loss. Y'all come back now, yeah. Bye.